Okay, never fart when you're coughing this hard. I just took some medicine that has 20% alcohol. 40 proof. I don't drink 40 proof, but it's like maybe a half shot of whiskey. At least it ain't killing me. Um, so let's go on to the EBT. Yeah, he was like, I don't want to come in. I'm like, okay. He says, you got to go. He's got his shirt over his mouth. He's like, I want it. But he was very nice to go get me uh, a generic cough syrup. And then he got me these broncholine cough drops, pastillas para la tos, herbal extracts and honey. They're very delicious and strong. I'm in their house, and the only time I scope is when I'm showing something on the bed. And I'm not going to do that because I may pass out right now because I'm drunk. Okay, here's what EBT said. They are going to contact Florida. Come on, Bugsy, you can get in here. Let me get in here. Okay, everybody, hold on. My earbuds are on. Hold on. Bugsy, I cannot hear you, so just don't talk.
How are you, Churchy? Churchy, listen to me. Are you listening?
Hold on, Bugsy, hold on. Okay, I got
Okay,
my
okay,
earbuds.
Churchy. I'm
Now let's see.
listening.
The
I'm
left
waiting.
goes in the right ear, and the right goes in the left ear, right?
Alrighty. You got the iPods or iBuds or whatever you
Okay,
call them?
now Bugsy, I have my earbud thingy in my ear, so now I can see.
You can hear. You can hear.
Yeah, I can see your face too.
Okay,
Oh,
listen.
gads.
I need you to take some meds to make yourself better.
I just said I was.
Well, tell me what you're taking. I'll tell you if it's any good. How about that?
A Robitussin imitation, and
Robitussin imitation. Right away, that's no good. You got to get the real one.
honey, I have no way to get to the store. I'm sick. My nose hurts.
I
I've been
know you are.
coughing
You
24
sound
hours.
bad,
So I'm
Churchy.
taking any shit I can get that is like Robitussin.
I know anything is better than nothing.
And
I
then I'm taking
understand.
eucalyptus cough drop. So let's just drop this. Let's get back on to the EBT.
Okay, I'll come down. You just make sure you get some
Oh,
meds and
Bugsy,
take
I
care of
love you
yourself.
and thank you for being my friend.
Please
And
take care
you
of
are
yourself.
really adorable.
I just want you to take care of yourself. That's all.
Don't worry, honey. But I could
Well,
use a
you
male. I could use a male nurse if you want to come by.
male nurse. Why male nurse? What would you want me to do in your house?
Ooh, you can help me with the.
What would you
you
make
can
me do? Make the bed every
no go get
morning?
me a
What
drink
else
of
could I do?
water.
Yeah,
Let's go
I
over
would
ice
go get you
water
some water.
and
I would. I would be a nice guy and I would go get it. Yep, I
and
really
I would
would.
love. I understand how my landlords are, but I wish Chloe could bring me a cheeseburger from
I
Five
probably
Guys.
would. If I was near you and I was coming over to
No, you're
visit,
not
I
allowed
would.
to visit, and this is for their safety. Like I tell
Oh,
people,
oh, okay. My bad, my bad.
what I
I don't
tell
know.
people is this: would you like to have? Uh, oh God, I lost my cord. Oh, there it is. Um, would you like to be woken up at 3 o'clock in the morning by the police or
Never,
by the city for
never.
yeah, and that's the problem is I've had wellness checks done on me,
Yeah,
and
but
I
that's
live
not
alone.
fair. Somebody's calling and fooling around. That's what's going on
It's
there.
happened before, hon, and it's no big deal. All right, so that's why we don't allow it.
That's haters and fucking assholes to do that shit.
So I just want to go to sleep right now, and I just want to say you're sexy as can
Have you had
be.
a hot bath or anything? Oh my
So I
god,
have.
now I'm sexy.
I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to Glock.
Oh my bad.
God, it's
Did
Beauty and
Bree
the
did
Beast.
Bree text you, or is she just too
I
busy
don't
being an
know.
answer?
I'm so sick right now. I'm going crazy.
You
And
need to check that. It's very kind
Did
of
you
a
have a
smoky
hot
head.
bath though? Sorry, cut you off, Glock. Sorry.
Okay, she
Go
needs
ahead. Keep
the.
talking. My bad.
You know that he's right.
yeah, but right now the most important thing is my EBT finding hang down in the washroom and all that other crap, and me getting some sleep, and actually having a good night where I'm not breathing.
Yeah, you gotta, I'll show what I have for
So
you.
anyway,
I didn't say. Oh, hey.
So I called EBT and they said they will contact the people in Florida and try and see if they can do it themselves. If not, I will have to call Florida and cancel my EBT because it was issued in January. Okay, that is for the whole month through February 23rd. So I will not get a EBT here until the end of that month, which would be the 23rd or maybe even later.
Well, there are there's programs, there's like food pantries and stuff like that. They always have people that are on EBT. Sorry. You should get
Something just went down my gullet.
Oh my gosh! Don't say that.
Oh, it was me.
That doesn't sound
Doing
good.
candy. I don't know. I was blowing my nose, and all of a sudden, I felt like something like
You don't.
I don't know. Something just went down my throat. Windpipe.
Oh God,
that scared the shit.
She needs like a basic.
No earbuds. No earbuds. Hold on.
Okay.
No earbuds. Water. No earbuds. So.
Drama free. Is he in here?
Oh God, I was about to swallow my.
Hey, Taylor.
I look.
Yes or no? Drama, is he in here right now?
Okay, where's Glock? Okay, now.
Oh God, take a drink.
Okay.
No. Okay.
Oh my God.
Oof. That you need.
It was a lint ball, I think.
Breathing treatment would be smart too. You are right. That would do her wonders. If she liked that song. Did you like the song? Jeff wants to know if you like the song.
I have to go pee.
Oh,
Honey.
You don't want to do that on Scope because I did the opposite, and they will talk about it for the day you die. So at least run the water if you have to go pee. The hell was that? What is Bonjour? Does anybody know what program that is? Run the water. Run the water. Run the water. Oh God, she didn't run the water. Shit. Sounded. Even you could boil hot water over it on the stove. You could do that too. You forgot to run the water. And you forgot to wash hands. Sanitizer. Breathe. Sorry. Do you have some sanitizer? Yeah, you can use that when you hyperventilate. A brown paper bag. She could stand it, or just sit on the toilet with the steam running in the shower. Sorry. Vicks. I love Vicks. Vicks is good for everything. You do need some Vicks Vapor Rub. Or you can go to the dollar store and get the generic shit. Same thing. Colonoscopies up to 45 years old, I read. Are you serious? I'm good. How are you? Yeah, I have to get one because it runs in my family code. Yippee! Yes, she's right. Vicks under your nose and on your chest. Yes, works wonders. You need to make an Amazon wish list.
I'm looking at anybody who tells me I need a wish list.
Oh, but you don't want your address. Okay, wait. Your address, they won't
Okay,
see.
shut up for a minute. Just listen to what I say about the wish list.
Okay.
Do you understand? I just coughed so hard I have to change my pants. Do you understand that I'm freezing to death here? I just take medicine, which I'm not even sure it's safe for me to take.
Mm-hmm.
I'm freezing cold.
If you're, do you have, since it's not your home, you may want to use covers. Maybe covers.
I got my Bushka scarf back on.
You all are idiots kissing her ass. Do you guys have any freaking moderators in here?
Look, I have a sweatshirt on.
You're a newbie. Tiller, we didn't ask for your opinion, did you? No, we didn't ask for your opinion.
Oh.
No, it doesn't sound like pneumonia. We just don't want, you don't want it to get to pneumonia because that means hospitalization.
Maybe somebody hates Congress more than you do, or anybody does.
No, we don't need to be worried. Let's not worry about all that.
Okay, hold on.
Vicks feels good.
I gotta get these cords out from under my butt. Oh.
Just cover up.
I think I lost an earbud.
Covers. But you can, I do know.
Block is crazy.
And so is the person, I'm sure I have 2,800 people blocked. I don't give a fuck what you say. If you can't beam up and say what you have to say to me, then you're a pissant to me. Next.
I remember when she blocked me once long ago. Okay, so let's just, guys, we're not going to talk about medicine right now.
Okay.
As I said, I have to still contact my insurance agency and see what's going up with that. And see if they're still in the area. In other words, sometimes your insurance agency in Utah is the same one as in Iowa, and sometimes not. Yeah, that's the way it is.
Hey, have you ever thought of getting Boofy on the phone, like a 3-way call with your insurance and letting her speak for you? Because you can do that.
No, I could do it myself, Kelly.
You sure?
Yeah, Buffy's busy.
Okay.
She got another job as a hand model.
Oh, wow. That's interesting. Mm-hmm.
So anyway, did anybody hear what I just said? Stalker. STALKER.
Well, when it comes up unknown, people, you can't block it. Am I right? It just comes up. Let me think.
They're all supposed to be blocked, but
you can't block it unless it shows up, right?
Hold on, guys. So let's go on to EBT. I gotta lay down.
Maybe you need to rest a little while.
I need to lay down.
Okay, go right down. You can always come back at a later time.
But anyway, the EBT said because the card was issued in January, which is for February, they cannot issue me a card until the March.
You can block all unknown numbers.
Starts.
Wait. You can block private or unknown. Go into settings. Okay, where do I go?
Okay, so you don't want to talk about EBT?
Okay, let's talk about EBT. I don't really know.
Plutonium, how you know I'm laying on my back?
Because it settles in your chest. I think he knows what he's saying there.
No, it's a joke.
You have to click on it, then block it. I block all unknown. But see, I can't block all unknown because sometimes your doctors call.
So let me get this right. We're not going to talk about my EBT card. We're going to talk about blocking unknowns.
Okay, talk about your EBT card, but a lot of people don't know anything about it.
The food stamp in California said they cannot issue a card today or this week because they have to wait until that EBT expires. Because people will come from Iowa to Florida, get a new card, and then still have the old one and use that. So then you go to another state and say, I new one. And you can actually get, let's say, 150 per state. That's $600 instead of $150. Scam. At least that's what I was told. So
You somebody's calling.
next week I will go and apply for it. And they're going to try and shut down the card for Florida now. I don't know. That's the update so far. I've eaten 3 cough drops. 3 night Robitussin.
Cough drops really don't. They just kind of coat your throat.
I know. I'm my healthcare company, United Healthcare, and see if they are in California at this location. Whatever, it's too late. And see if they're in this location. If they are, then I can have the health cards, everything shipped to me, and all the stuff set up, so I will get the reward